a general product that you can find on, your local Walmart, your local Target, or, Amazon, or even Amazon. Hey guys, hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name's Jeffrey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more content related to e-commerce and dropshipping. I am planning to make a video every single day for my challenge, my 30-day challenge, where I make a video every single day for 1 month straight. So if you want to support me in that, make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so you don't miss out on any of these videos. Now today I want to really talk about, touch on a topic that is, what are the characteristics of a winning product and some winning product secrets. As I see that, some people don't really know what to sell and are having trouble finding sales. So, it might be common sense to some people, but it'd be worth mentioning in this video, just to make sure we're on the same page and that you are getting sales for your store. The first characteristic I really want to talk about is the fact that the product that you're selling has to be unique in some way. And what I mean is it can't be a general product that you can find on, your local Walmart, your local Target, or, Amazon, or even Amazon. It has to be unique in some way, and it shouldn't be just a regular kitchen tool like a fork or like a plate or a dog leash or something, because people can just buy that anywhere else from like a typical store, brick and mortar store, and there's really no point to buy from your store in particular, and especially when you want them to impulse purchase, there's really no point, even though if you have a good offer. So make sure it is unique in some way, and that make sure that it is not something that you can buy in your local Walmart. So the second characteristic is that it can't be sold in store, which brings me to my next point, and it links back to the first one, is that these products not only have to be unique and in some way, but also they can't be available in the stores in your local Walmart or whatever. Because if that was the case, then people can just go to their local store and supermarket and just get it, because they don't have the need to buy online. Even though you are selling them your convenience and their convenience, it will be harder for them to buy a product, especially impulsively, because they can just get it on the stores, and there's really nothing special about that product. So make sure that it's not sold in the store as well, or else you're going to have a hard time selling your products online. The third one is, and I think is the most important, is that it has to be one of two things. One of them is it has to solve a problem, preferably a pain point of some sort. The caveat to this, I'll actually avoid things like skincare products, because you can't really guarantee any results, or things that are detrimental to someone's health, or can harm their health in any way or possible, and things like that. But bottom line is that it has to solve a problem, and preferably you want to hit their emotional aspects of them, and make sure that you highlight the pain points and how your product can really solve their problem or make their life easier. The second way of doing this is that you're selling this quirky product or unique product to a passionate audience. Now this is it could be harder for beginners because you don't really know specific terms or ad copy to use. But if you sell to a passionate audience, for dogs, or for fashion lovers, or for DIY or home improvement people, then chances are that they are going to buy the product because they like the product they have to offer in that category, in their niche. And you can really, if you can on top of that, offer a pain point, highlight a pain point and try to offer a solution, which is your product, then that would be even better. So essentially you can hit two birds with one stone, and that's what you want to aim for. If you want to sell products online and see success, then you have to have a problem-solving product, either that or selling a product to a passionate audience, which is the product has to be unique in some way, and but essentially the best of both worlds would be hitting two birds with one stone and getting both problem-solving product and to a passionate audience. That's about it for today. I just wanted to make this short little video for guys to make sure that you're not selling the wrong products online, because product is king at the end of the day for dropshipping, especially in e-commerce. And if you're not able to see results, it's probably because you have a bad product. And even if you have a good product, of course there are other things that come into play, like your store optimization, how well you write your descriptions, the videos and stuff that you use, the thumbnails and stuff like that. But what's most important is the product. If you have a bad product, and even though you're as good as your videos maybe, or your product page or your landing page, if you don't have the right product, then most likely you won't see results. So that's about it today, and make sure you like and comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next video, which is most likely tomorrow. And take care. See you guys.